Leverage. Leverage is an investment strategy of using borrowed money, specifically the use of various financial instruments or borrowed capital, to increase the potential return on investment. Leverage can also refer to the amount of debt a firm used to finance asset. When one refers to a company, property, or investment as highly leveraged, it means that item has more debt than equity. The term leverage refers to an increased means for accomplishing some purpose. It helps us in lifting heavy object by the magnifying force when a lever is applied to a function. According to James Hall, has defined leverage as a employment of an assets or funds for which the firm pays a fixed cost or fixed return. Characters. Leverage is applied to the employment of an asset or funds. Profit tend to change at a faster rate than sales. There is a risk return relationship which is basically found in the same direction. If higher is the leverage, higher will be the risk and higher will be the expected return. Proportion of borrowed funds is more than owner's fund in the total capital structure. The return as well as risk of the shareholders will be high. On the other hand, if the proportion of owner's fund is more than the borrowed funds in the total capital structure, the return as well as the risk of the shareholders will be much less. Types of leverages. There are three types of leverages. The one is operating leverage. The formula is contribution divided by EBIT or contribution divided by operating profit. Then financial leverage, operating profit divided by profit before tax or EBIT, that is earning before interest and tax divided by EBT, earning before tax. The third one is combined leverage, is operating leverage into financial leverage. Problem. Calculate the operating, financial and combined leverage from the following information. Sales rupees 2 lakhs, variable cost rupees 1 lakh, fixed cost rupees 50,000, interest rupees 30,000. Now we prepare the statement of profit. Sales rupees 2 lakhs less variable cost rupees 1 lakh. These two items given by the problem. Balance rupees 1 lakh. This is called namely contribution. Then less fixed cost rupees 50,000. This is given by the problem. Balance rupees 50,000. That means operating profit or EBIT, earning before interest and tax. Then less interest rupees 30,000. It was given by the problem. Balance rupees 20,000. This is profit before tax. That means EBT, earning before tax. Now apply the formula. Operating leverage, contribution divided by EBIT. Contribution is rupees 1 lakh divided by EBIT 50,000. 1 lakh divided by 50,000 equal to 2. That means 2 times. Then financial leverage, the formula EBIT, earning before interest and tax divided by EBT, earning before tax. EBIT is rupees 50,000 divided by EBT rupees 20,000. 50,000 divided by 20,000 equal to 2.5 times. Then combined leverage. Combined leverage is operating leverage into financial leverage. Already we find the operating leverage, that is 2 into financial leverage. Financial leverage is we find 2.5. Therefore 2 into 2.5 equal to 5. Thank you.